Here are 7 tips to help you save quickly. Number 1. The rich make their money work for them. Number 2. Financial education is your greatest asset. Number 3. Don't work to earn money. Work to learn. Number 4. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. Number 5. Reduce your spending as much as possible. Number 6. Reinvest those profits you make. Number 7. Don't rely exclusively on a financial advisor. Now is the time to teach your kids. Click on the link below this video today and gain instant access to these 10 things every parent needs to know.